I ain't talking to him, I'm talking to myself.
Fast ring! Hit me, Chief!
Excuse me, miss. Well, you want to kill, you know what I mean? We're going fishing.
Penguin is the bird that cannot fly! Goodbye, my unintended.
Yeah, a little creepy.
Пацаны, вообще, ребята, классно, вообще. Особенно вот, вот тот вот паренек, вообще молодец. Да и вообще вы все молодцы. Получается у вас действительно.
Остров невезения. Остров невезения в океане есть, весь покрытый зеленью, абсолютно весь.
I'm warning you.
Next time it's gonna be glass.
Who am I? I'm Spider-Man.
We all wear masks, metaphorically speaking.
Spookhead! I'm roadkill!
You serve the master of the precious. He stole it from us. Not listening. I'm not listening. Don't take it to him. Precious.
I am not Mr. Lebowski. You're Mr. Lebowski. I'm the dude. So that's what you call me, you know? That or his dudeness or duder or, you know, El Duderino.
All I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Empty. So are you.
Captain Jack Sparrow.